Alright, hi guys. Thought I'd after painting the new rims to go on the off-road camper, I just weighed them just to show everyone what the weight difference is here. Okay, so this is the new wheel that's going on, or wheels if you wish. Now that there, when I try and balance it, is showing about, say, 38 kilos. 38 for a 285 17. That they're showing 33 kilos for a 265 75 16 on a steel wheel. Now the other one, just see that shot there, the alloy wheel that's going on is 17 by 8. This one here is a 16 by 7, and you can feel it's lighter. Now, aim of the game here is to have tyre diameter, total diameter, as close as possible to the vehicle. It's going to add on another 10 kilos, but oh well, that's how it is. Alright, let's put them on there.